That's right, Kenzie, go up.
Hiya, Mackenzie! Mackenzie! Yeah.
There you go. Go down. Yeah.
Go, you go down.
There's my boy. This way. Come see mommy. Oh, and he's chicken poo, so he's gonna come down tummy. He's gonna come down his tummy, and there he is. And there he goes, ready for round 2. And there's cousin Joshua.
Tummy!
Copying Kenzie. Even though cousin Joshua is big enough to go on his own. Cousin Joshua even goes head down first, silly boy.
Head down and here, Joshua goes first.
Hurry up, cousin Joshua. Whee! Yay! No, Kenzie, move. Cousin Joshua's going now.
I can go on. Beat that beat. And now, here I come again. In the secret motion. Here we go! Whoa.
Keep going. Yay!
Ready? Set.
He's gonna go through your legs. Okay, Kenzie, go. Yay! Kenzie can do it all by himself. Right, Kenzie? Yeah, good boy. No help needed. I can do it all by myself, Kenzie says. This is the 3rd time now. Yeah. 3rd time. There he goes. Cousin Joshua goes the big boy way, and Kenzie goes the little boy way.
I wish there's no rope. Whoa.
Well, then don't use the rope.
Where's Butterfish?
2 of my big boys here. There goes Joshua. Yay! And here comes my big boy, Kenzie. Come on, Kenzie. Yeah, you can do it. There you go. Ooh. There you go. Go, careful. He's right behind you. Kenzie. Careful. Uh-oh. Geez Louise. Kenzie, you almost hit yourself in the face. Kenzie. You can't do that. You almost hit yourself in the face.